So here's how we're gonna search for people nearby on the Instagram map. Let's get started. So you can open up the Instagram like that, and essentially you can go to the search panel right here and tap on a specific location, like on a map, right? Let's say I'm going to type in Los Angeles, right? So it's just an example, of course. I'm going to type that in. And then from the options, I'm going to tap on the places, right? Because I have like the reels, audio, tags, whatever. I'm then going to tap on the places right here. And you can see that it will show me the map, right? So I can zoom out on it and see some stories or some other places nearby which have been tagged by some users. Or I can just swipe up and browse through the posts which have been like tagged with the with this particular location. So I can see so many different options, and it's all just part of this section right here. It is all tagged with this location, so I can browse the nearby people. Obviously, with such a big town, there are so many places and so many photos, but in some smaller places, you'll find less people. And this is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.